ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तं तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। द्वितीय मुण्डक प्रथम खंड द्वितीय मंत्र। You can repeat. दिव्यो ह्यमूर्तः पुरुषः
दिव्यो ह्यमूर्तः
पुरुषः
सभाख्याभ्यन्तरो ह्यजः
सबाह्याभ्यन्तरह्यजः
अप्राणो ह्यमना शुभ्रः
अप्राणो
यमनः शुभ्रः
क्षरात् परतः परः
क्षरात् परतः परः।
This is an important mantra which presents the Swarupa Lakshanam of Brahma, which we have seen, discussed in the last few classes. Bhashya Sagitam we have seen. Aksharat paratah paraha, that Vakya is important. It is in Panchami. So therefore, there is a comparative degree because Panchami is therefore superior. Iti, I gave the translation. What is superior to what? Maya karyat maya, that is Maya Sagita Brahma. Maya karyat, Maya is superior. Maya yaha, Swapadika Brahma is superior. Iti we have seen. What is this superior? Superior means that which exists independently. Maya karya, the product of Maya. Maya karya, karyatvat. Karyatvat. Therefore, it has got dependency on Maya. Maya is the Karanam. And Maya, that also is not independent, it is dependent on Brahma. The dependency, from the standpoint of dependency, that which is independent, that is superior. That is why give the translation as superior. So therefore, since Sopadika Brahmanaha, Nirupadika Brahma, Param. Why? Because Nirupadika Brahma, Nirguna Brahma, it is independent. And Maya depends, by Maya being Nitya, it depends on Brahma for its existence. Maya Karya depends on Maya for its existence. So at 3 levels. And which is completely independent? Brahma, Nirupadika Brahma. That independency from the standpoint of being independent, translated as superiority. The truth of Maya is Brahma. The truth of Maya is Brahma. Maya being Nitya. The truth of Maya being Brahma. Therefore, Brahma is Param iti. So there is no superior, inferior at all. It is only from the standpoint of this Karya. Karya Drishtya Karanam Param iti. Gata Drishtya Mrit Param. Clay is Param. It is the Karanam. Gata is Karyam. So, since there is a Karya Karana relationship is there, Karya depends on Karanam for its existence. Therefore, Karya being Mithya, Karanam is Param. Therefore, Nirupadika Brahma, Chaitanyam is Param, Paraha Bhavati, Param Bhavati. So that is the idea. The truth is Brahma. The truth of Maya is Brahma. It cannot exist independently. Brahma adhinatvat. Mayayaha Param Brahma iti. Now, after having talked about the Swarupa Lakshana, in the next mantra, the Upanishad presents Tatastha Lakshanam. The Srishti is talked about from the standpoint of Srishti. Brahma is presented. That is Tatastha Lakshanam. We will read that mantra with the connection. Katam te na santi pranadayah.
Katam tena santi
तेन सन्ति
pranadayah.
प्राणादयः
Ityuchyate.
Ityuchyate.
Yasmat.
Yasmat
यस्मात्
Etasmat jayate pranaha.
etasmat jayate
एतस्माज्जायते
pranaha.
प्राणः
Manas sarvendriyani cha.
Manas
मनः
sarvendriyani
सर्वेन्द्रियाणि
cha.
च
Vayur jyotirapaha.
Kham
वायुर्ज्योतिरापः
vayurjirapaha.
Prithvi vishvasya dharini.
Prithvi
पृथिवी
vishvasya
विश्वस्य
dharini.
धारिणी
So here, the Upanishad says, Pashakara connects, Katam te pranadayaha. Katam na santi pranadayaha te iti uchate. Because in the previous mantra, apranaha, avanaha, iti, the words were there. So, how this Purusha is apranaha, it is the cause for prana. Srishtehe urdvam pranatvam. Srishtehe purvam, prana is not there. Therefore, pranatvam is not there really for Purusha. Because before creation, prana not there. So therefore, katam te pranadayaha na santi, because this after the srishti, pranadi matvam seems to be there. Srishtehe prak not there. That is being said. Why it is said pranadayaha na santi? Yasmat, the reason is yasmat, then etasmat iti. Etasmat iti. Asti, we know the Shat Vikaras. Asti is, it has to be alive, should exist. Asti, then Vardate. Asti chet Vardate. Asti chet Viparinamate. Asti chet Apakshiyate. Asti chet Vinashyati. So, all the Vikaras depends on with Astitvam. So, Astitvam has to be there. Asti chet Janma Bhavati. So, therefore, the Brahma is there. Therefore, the Brahma Asti, Brahma is Asti, because as it is Asti, does it undergo other Vikaras? No. Asti is also considered to be one of the Vikara, Shat Vikara. Asti che Jayate. In the Vikara, the order is given Asti Jayate, Vardate, Viparinamate, Vipakshiyate, iti. Yaska Muni, he presents the order like this. Asti chet jayate. Everywhere we have to supply asti. Asti chet vardate. It has to exist. Because in between anything can happen. So, therefore, it is there, therefore it is born. It's there, therefore it is born. Brahma also asti. Is it born? Is it grow? Does it grow? So all this, the vikara. Asti is not a vikara for Brahma really. So asti is that. Yeah, therefore asti, the Shatvikara, the asti is that which was not there before, which came into being and remaining for some period of time and then finally goes away. Brahma, when you say that asti is not in the sense of being there as a vikara. Brahma is, it is sat. Sat Swarupa, therefore Brahma Asti, Sarvada Asti. Its Swarupa is Asti. Its Swarupa is Sat Chit Anantaha, Satyam Jnanam Anantam. So, Asti as a Vikara, when we say, that is only for the Upadhi, Shariradi Upadhi, Samashti Jagat Upadhi, not for the Brahma. Therefore, similarly, pranas, etc., they were not there before this Srishti. Before the Srishti, not there. Now, a being is born. When the being is born, pranas are also said to be born. We are also born with that. So, before the Janma, pranas are not there. So, for Brahma, this pranadi matvam surupataha na, prana not there, mana not there. If it is there, it will be there all the time. But Brahma asti, sat surupatvat, it is always asti. But it is born in the form of this Jagat. Because it is born in the form of this Jagat, manifested in this form of the Jagat. And the Jagat we see prana, manaha, etc. among the pranis. So it must be there in the Brahma. Because Brahma asti. Therefore, all the other vikaras are there. No, that vikaras are not there. Because all these vikaras, all this janma, etc., it is because of this Maya. It is Maya. It is because of this Maya. What is this Maya? This Maya is the magic of Ishvara. That is, in spite of studying Shastram for so many years, this doubt about Maya is there. For other Darshana, other people, other schools, they dismiss this Maya as though this Maya, we naming these Advaitis as Mayavadi. What is this Maya? This whole Jagat is Maya, we say. Maya means it is Mithya. Maya doesn't have independent existence. It is Asat, not Tucham. It is Asat. Doesn't exist independently. But it is there. It is there. And that existence doesn't belong to Maya. It is dependent on Brahma. Having seen this Jagat consisting of this Panchabhuta, Panchaprana, Panchakarmendriyani, and the products of this Panchabhuta, this Jagat, the Panchabhutas are there, the elements and elementals. So, therefore, we think that Maya must be a separate entity. Like Brahma, it must be a separate entity existing because it is there. How can you say it is Mithya? It means that Mithya is also not understood properly. Mithya means that doesn't exist independently. That is Mithya. Ghata doesn't exist independently. Minus Mrit, the clay. Ghata doesn't exist. What is Ghata? It is just a name and a form. Just a word and the artha, the meaning. Shabda, padartha. That's all. It is a padartha. Doesn't really have any substance. Doesn't really have any weightage. It is not a substance. because it is seems to be there, therefore it is taken to be real. That is why the other darshana, for them, there are two different reality, parallel different reality. One is Brahma, other one is Prakriti. This Maya, Purusha and Prakriti, Dvaita philosophy. Because they have to account for the Srishti. The Srishti, how can you deny, how can you dismiss saying that it is Mithya? Because Mithyatvam is not understood. Therefore, Dvaitam becomes a reality. Prakriti and Purusha, Sankhya says that. Sankhya and other darshanas also. All the Dvaita darshana. But this Maya is, it's a really a magic. It is something difficult to be understood, at the same time to be understood. Only to be understood with the help of the Bhashyam and then the Sampradaya, how it is presented. When we say Asat, Asat is Nitya, Sat is Satyam, Maya is Asat. Does it exist independently? It doesn't exist. It really doesn't exist. It seems to be existing. And the power associated with that power of being there, that is Ishvara, Ishvara's Shakti, Maya Shakti. Recently, there was a photo which is circulated in the WhatsApp. If you see the photo is a color photo. It seems to be a color photo. But when you zoom in on, then you will see the photo is a black and white photo. The black and white photo appears to be color. That is magic. All the people in the photo are black and white. It's a black and white photo. But when you see the photo, it looks as though it's a color photo. It's a color. Color is there, but where is the color? Color is not there. It's black and white. So how are you going to explain this? Inexplicable, anirvachaniyam. The ray of the sunlight is, it is colorless light, white light or white light we say. The white light has got 7 colors. The white light has got 7 colors. But you don't see these 7 colors, but if objects appears to be having color because of this white light, and the certain colors are observed, certain colors are scattered back. A rose appears to be red. Why? Because it observes all the color and reflects back the red color. That is why it is red rose. It is not, the redness is because of this light. The blueness of the sky is because of light. What is this color of the sky? That is another beautiful example to understand what Maya is. The sky is colorless. The colorless sky appears to be blue. Even in Vyavahara, even though we scientifically understand, but it continues to be blue only. It doesn't change, it doesn't become colorless or doesn't change its color. It continues to be appearing as blue color. The colorless appearing to be blue. That is how are you going to explain this? It is like that. Maya is also like that. It's only a drishtanta. Even with regard to our shariram, after being exposed to Vedanta for a number of years, we have this understanding that shariram, which is made up of this pancha bhuta, we clearly see pancha bhuta, pancha bhautika. This cannot be me. is different from this Shariram. That fact is there because we are exposed to Vedanta and we see it very clearly. This Shariram, it's a Jadam. It is not me. Agam Sharirat Binnaha. This much clarity must be there. At least with the Shariram. Not that Sharira Abhimana is not there. Without Sharira Abhimana, Sharira Abhimana is required for the Vyavahara. Therefore, for the sake of Vyavahara, Abhimana, even though Abhimana is there, but at the back of the mind, when you have a little Jnanam because of the exposure to Vedanta, we know this Shariram is not me. That understanding, that insight is there. A little insight is there, at least. If not with the thoughts of the mind, for that we need to work further a lot. With the thoughts of the mind, we identify, that is why we are carried over by our emotion. Vritti is also Jadam only. Vritti is also Jadam. But there is that Abhimana is a strong, Abhimana is a little more time is required even to look upon that Vritti as Vritti objectively and not identifying with that. That may take little more effort and maybe time, but at least with regard to Shariram, we know. Now, the Shariram being Jadam, I is different from this Shariram. Both are together. Both as though become one, and this Shariram becomes conscious. Katam. This Jadam becomes Chaitanyavata. Jada Shariram Chaitanyavata Bhasate Katam. How are you going to explain this? Because we see the fact that Shariram is Jadam very clearly because of our understanding of Shastra. And this Jada Shariram Chaitanyavata Bhasate Katam. How are you going to explain this? Is Anirvachaniyam. How can Jada be Chaitanyavata? And the Chaitanyam, it is not miscible with anything. It cannot be mixed with anything. It is always there and it is immiscible, continues to be there. And this Jada Shariram seems to be enjoying this consciousness. That is Maya. So, Agatita Katana Patiyasi Maya. Maya makes that which the impossible possible. The mixture is not possible. The Jada Chaitanya mixture is not possible, that it is made as though made possible. If this is understood, that Maya is understood. That is what we say Maya is. It is, we present it as Ishvara Upadhi. We present it as Ishvara Upadhi to account for this, the creation. Because the creation is real for us, real in the beginning. When you analyze the creation, as you analyze the photo, zoom in on, finally it is colorless. Similarly, if you analyze the creation, from the stula to the karana, finally what remains is only Brahma. Then everything is Brahma. Then where is this Srishti? Srishti itself is not there. Before that we were saying Srishti is there. When Srishti is there, Maya is there. When Srishti is not there, Maya is not there. That is why it's a magic. When you try to understand Maya, it goes away. When you understand Maya, Maya is not there. When you don't understand, Maya is there. Maya is there or not. Therefore, it is Anirvachaniyam, Maya, that we have to take into account for presenting this Srishti. So, therefore, Maya exists relatively. For Vyavaharika, this Prapancha, this Jagat, we have to take into account the Maya. But does it exist independently? No. Therefore, for Srishti, this misunderstanding or non-understanding is because the Srishti is there. Therefore, Srishti Karta must be there. Two things must be there. That is what the common misunderstanding. And therefore, we need to have a separate another entity, Maya or the material. But we say Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karanam. Nimitta Karanam is Brahma. And Upadana Karanam is also Brahma. And they are Abhinna. They are not different. And for Upadana, we bring in the Maya. So, if this is understood, then we will have a clear idea about what Maya is. So therefore, here the Upanishad presents Brahma through this Srishti. Therefore, it is Tatastha Lakshanam, Srishti Drishtya Brahma. What is the reality of this Srishti? Srishti is Brahma Sagita Maya Yaha. This Srishti has come into existence. That is, this is Saguna Brahma, we say. This is Saguna Brahma. So, how this Srishti has come into existence? For that, Nimitta Karanam is Brahma. Upadana is Maya. And Maya Yaha Brahma is Param iti Purva Mantraya Asmabhihi Patitam. And in this mantra, that Srishti Prakaranam is being shown. And Bhashyakara says, Etasmat. Yasmat Etasmat. Etasmat, the mantra Upanishad says, Etasmat Jayate Pranaha Manaha Sarvendriyanicha Kam Vayuhu Jyotihi Apaha Prithvi Vishvasya Dharini iti. So, Brahmanaha Srishti is talked about. But if you see the order, Etasmat means Etasmat from this Purusha. In Taittiriya Upanishad, the same idea is presented. Tasmat, Etasmat, Atmanaha, Akashas Sambhutaha, Akashat Vayuhu, Vayoragnihi, Agnerapaha, Adbyah Prithvi, Prithvya, Oshadhayaha, Oshadhibhyonnam, Annat Purushaha. There Annat Purushaha is different. That Purusha is different. In that Taittiriya Upanishad, Annat Purushaha means there Purusha is not the Chaitanyam. There Purusha is the body, Shariram. Annat Purushaha. Annat Purusha is Shariram. Shariram is born of Annam. So there the Krama, if you see, Tasmat, Etasmat. Tasmat from that, Etasmat. Tasmat, Etasmat. Atmanaha, Akashaka Sambhutaha. Iti. There the order is different. The Krama is different. Here, the Upanishad in this, it says Etasmat Pranaha Jagate. First Prana comes, and then Manaha, then Sarvendriyani. After that, Kam is Akasha, Vayu, etc. comes. So there seems to be a change of order. Without this Panchabhuta, how this Prana, Manaha, Sarvendriyani, etc. can come? It is not possible. So there is a Krama here. Patakrama is here. Patakrama is Pranaha, Manaha, Sarvendriyani, Kam, Vayuhu, Jyotihi, Rapaha, Prithvi. That is Patakrama. The order of presentation is there. But Arthakrama is not this. Arthakrama and Patakrama. Arthakrama is, first is Panchabhuta Srishti. Anantaram eva Panchabhautika Srishti. Without Panchabhuta, how this Panchabhautika can come? Therefore, we have to change the order. Even though Patakrama starts with Pranaha, Manaha, etc. It doesn't tally with Arthakrama. And in the Taittiriya Upanishad, Arthakrama is given. Therefore, we have to change the krama, the order of presentation of the bhutas and the bhautikas. Bhutas first, pancha bhuta first, and then pancha bhautika, and then from that other things are born. So, therefore, arthakramena patakramaha badyate. There is a rule. Arthakramena patakramaha badyate. Arthakrama will negate the patakrama. Which is stronger, we have to see. Patakrama is there and arthakrama. If patakrama doesn't tally with arthakrama, then patakramat arthakramaha baliyan. It is stronger. So therefore we have to change the patakrama for our understanding. Patakrama we cannot change. Patakrama is arthakrama in terms of our understanding. How we connect. Etasmat, first we have to say come. Then vayuhu apaha, first we have to present panchabhuta srishti. After that panchabhautika. After that panchabhautika. It is like in this, there's a drishtanta given in the Veda. Yavagu pachati and then juhoti. This is the patakrama. Yavagu pachati and juhoti, that he offers. Yavagu pachati juhoti. So here, Yavagu pachati juhoti. The krama, the patakrama is given like that. But the arthakrama is, first what you have to do, first you have to cook, and then first you have to cook and then offer the ahuti. Jugoti yavahu pachati, that is the order. Jugoti yavahu pachati. In the Veda, it is given in the yajna. Jugoti, he offers. Then yavahu pachati. The yavahu pachanam comes later. Jugoti comes first in the patakrama. But how you can do the pachana kriya of the yavahu after offering into the fire? It's a problem. Therefore, we have to change the order. First, he cooks the yavahu. It is required as an ahuti for the yajna. So, yavahu pachati, anantaram juhoti. Even though in the patakrama, juhoti is there first, but we change the order. First, pachati, pachana kriya, and then this havana kriya, offering into the agni. So, therefore, here we will change the order. And we have seen this order where in the Tattva Bodha, the order was presented very neatly. Brahmashraya, Sattva, Rajas, Tamo, Gunatmika, Maya, Asti. So Maya, Asti. Maya, which is of this three guna, Sattva, Rajas, Tama. Like the white light has got seven colors. Similarly, Maya has got these three colors. And from that Tataha, that's why Tasmat, Etasmat, even in Taittiriya Upanishad, Tasmat, Etasmat, Tasmat, that Etasmat, from Tasmat is Sarvanama. Etasmat also Sarvanama. So, Tasmat, Etasmat, from that, this, from that and this, both are equated. That, this, Tasmat, Etasmat. From that, and that is not different from this. Atmanaha, Akasha, Tat referring to Brahma, and Etasmat referring to this Atma, that itself Aikyam, that Brahma at the Samashti and Atma at the Veshti, they are not different. That equation, they are equated. From that, Akashaha Sambhutaha iti in Taittiriya Upanishad presented. In Tattvabodha, we have seen Tataha Akashaha Sambhutaha. Tatah referring to what? This Maya Sagita Brahmanaha. Brahmashaya Sattva Rajas Tamo Gunatmika Maya Asti. Tataha, that Maya Sagita Brahmanaha Akashaha Sambhutaha Akashat Vayuhu Vayos Tejaha Tejaf Apaha Advyaf Prithvi. Iti first this Bhuta Srishti presented. First is Sukshma Bhuta, Pancha Sukshma Bhutas are born. Then after that only other things are born. Again referring to Tattva Bodha. Etesham Pancha Tattvanam, this Pancha Tattva, Pancha Mahabhuta, this Pancha Tattva, Pancha Tattvanam Madhye Akashasya Satvikamshat Shrotrendriyam Sambhutam. Akasha, the Satvika part of Akasha, from the Satvika part of Akasha, this Shrotrendriyam Sambhutam. Shrotrendriya is Sukshma, because Sukshma, Bhutas, Sukshma, that is Indriyam Sambhutam. Vayogo Satvikamshat Tvagindriyam Sambhutam. Took the skin from the Satvika part of the Vayu. Agnehe Satvikamshat Chakshurindriyam Sambhutam. Jalasya Satvikamshat Rasanendriyam Sambhutam. Prithivyaha Satvikamshat Ghanendriyam Sambhutam. So, Shrotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Rasana, Grana, all the Pancha Indriya from the Pancha Bhuta, Mahabhutas are born from the Satvika Amsha. Satvika Amsha of this, from the Satvika Amsha of the Pancha Mahabhuta, this Pancha Jnanendriyanis were born. Sarvendriyani cha, in this mantra, Sarvendriyani is the first is Kambhayur Jyoti Rapaha Prithvi. From that Sarvendriyani. Sarvendriyani also Jnanendriyani now. Then after that, again from saying from the Tattva Bodha. Etesham Panchatattvanam Samashti Satvikamshat Manobuddhi Agankara Chittanta Karanani Sambhutani. From the collective Sattvika part of the Pancha Mahabhuta, Antakaranam is born. Antakaranam is Manaha, Buddhi, Agankara, Chitta, Antakaranani. Then Etesham Panchatatvana Madhye Akashasya Rajasamshat Vagendriyam Sambhutam, the Karmendriyani, Vakendriya. From the Rajas part of the Akasha, Vagendriyam, the speech Indriya, Karmendriya, Sambhutam. Vayogo Rajasamshat, Panindriyam Sambhutam. Vannehe Rajasamshat, Padendriyam Sambhutam. Jalasya Rajasamshat, Gudendriyam Sambhutam. Prithivyaha Rajasamshat, Upastendriyam Sambhutam. Therefore, Vak, Pani, Prayu, Pada, Upasta iti. All these Karmendriya were born from the Rajas part of this Pancha Mahabhuta. Therefore, Sarvendriyani. Pratamam Kambhayur Jyoti Rapaha Prithvi. Anantaram, this Indriyani is Karmendriyani, Jnanendriyani and Karmendriyani. Jnanendriya from the Sattva part of this Pancha Mahabhuta. Karmendriyani from the Rajas part of the Pancha Mahabhuta. From the collective Sattva part, this Antakaranam is born. Similarly, from the collective Rajas of this Pancha Mahabhuta, Etesham Samashti Rajasamshat Pancha Pranaha Sambhutaha. Pancha Pranas are born. Therefore, the order now, Kam Vayuhu Jyotihi Rapaha Prithvi. Then Sarvendriyani. Then Manaha, Pranaha. Manaha is Antakaranam. Pranaha is from the Tamas, from the collective Tamas of the Pancha Mahabhuta. Then after that, Panchikaranam happens. Etesham Panchatattvanam. The Rajas part is over, Tamas part is over. This Sattva part is over, Rajas part is over. Now Tamas part is left out. Etesham Panchatattvanam Tavasamshat Panchikrita Panchatatvani Sambhavanti. You have to account for this Stula Prapancha. So, Sukshma is presented. Sukshma Prapancha has come. From that Sukshma Prapancha, the Stula Prapancha has come. How did it come? By this Panchi Karanam. The Tamas part of this Panchatattva, Panchi Karanam happens. What is Panchi Karanam? Etesham Panchamahabhutana Tavasamsha Swarupam Ekam Ekam Bhutam Dvida Vipajya. Each part divided into half. Ekam Ekam Ardham Pratak Tushnim Vivastapya. One part is left, kept as it is. Aparam Ardham Chaturda Vibhajya. The next half is divided into 4. Swardham Binneshu Ardeshu Swavaha Chatushtaya Sanyojanam Karyam Tata Panchikaranam Bhavati. That the second part, which is divided into 4, that it will share with others. That's called Panchikaranam, grossification. From that grossification process, Etebhyaha Panchikritebhyaha Panchikrita Pancha Mahabhutebhyaha, this Stula Shariram Bhavati. The Stula Shariram is born. The Stula Prapancha is born. So that is how the Srishti Prakaranam, we have seen it, Tattva, the same thing here. Here we have to remember that and see the order. And there is a commentator. A commentator, he says, why this Arthakrama we have to see like this? For that he gives a pramanam from the same Upanishad itself. From the same Mundaka Upanishad, he gives a pramanam. What is that? In the Tritiya Mundaka, Dvitiya Kanda, at the end, 7th mantra, Gata Khalaf Panchadasha Pratishtaha Devascha Sarve Pratidevatasu Karmani Vijnanamayascha Atma Parevyaye Sarvayeki Bhavanti. There, what happens to this Jnani after Jnanam is talked about. The resolution, the dissolution is talked about. A Jnani, the person has gained Jnanam, if he has become a Jnani, then what happens to him? Prarabdha karma is there. As long as Prarabdha karma is there, this Janma will continue. Is Agami and Sanchita. Agami karma will be distributed to the people. Those who praise him, that is Punya will go. Those who criticize him, its Papa will go. That is why one should not criticize here in Jnani. Then Sanchita, that is, nobody is there to claim Sanchita because this person with Ahankara not there. Therefore, the person is become free. Sanchita will be unclaimed. Then what happens further? Panchadasha Kalaha, the 15 parts, Karmendriyani, Jnanendriyani, Pranadeha, etc. This Pancha and Vijnana and Vijnanamayaha Atma, this Antakaranam and its karmas, Sarve Kimbhavati, they Parevyaye, Pare Avyaye, in that Param Brahma, Eki Bhavanti, dissolves into the Param Brahma. There, the Krama is given. The 15 Panchadasha Kalaha, they go back to the source. They go back to the source, and then the Vijnanamaya, this Ahankara, this Antakaranam, iti, that Krama is given. So, therefore, Gata Kala Panchadasha Pratishtaha iti. Vakshyamana Grante, it is going to be talked about, it's going to come later, Vakshyamana Grante, in this Upanishad itself. Bhuteshu Pranadinam Layashravanena Bhautikatvat Agamat Bhuta Utpatti Anantaram Pranadinam Utpattihi Vachya. One commentator says in that mantra, Bhuteshu Pranadinam Layashravanena, in the Bhuta, all the prana, etc., they dissolve into this Bhuta. So therefore, Bhautikatvat, Bhautikatva Agamat, Bhutotpatti Anantaram. Bhautikatva Agamat, Bhutotpatti Anantaram, Pranadinam Utpattihi Vachya. Pranas, etc., they resolve into the Panchamahabhuta. That resolution is talked about in that mantra. Therefore, before the arrival of the Bhautika, Bhuta Utpatti must be there. Bhuta Utpatti Anantaram Pranadinam Utpatti. That is how we have to understand this mantra. Because there the resolution, the Krama is talked about in the same Upanishad. The same Upanishad talked about the resolution. So, therefore, that becomes itself a pramana. Therefore, Bhautikatva Agamat Bhutotpatti Anantaram Pranadinam Utpattihi iti Vachya. Therefore, Bhuta Utpatti Anantaram, only after the coming of this Panchamahabhuta, Bhautika comes, and then only Pranadinam is born. That is how to be understood. Why? Pranas, etc., they resolve into Bhuta iti in the upcoming, the mantra, the Tritiya Mundaka presented. So therefore here the Krama to be changed. Iti a commentator presents. So the commentator knows, Ashikara and other commentators, they know the whole. Therefore they can refer and they say it is being, it's going to be said. So that we can bring in. So therefore, Etasmat Kam Vayuho Jyotihi Rapaha Prithvi. Prithvi is qualified by the words Vishwasya Dharini. Then Pranaha Manaha. Then Sarvendriyani. After that Pranaha Manaha. We can take Jayate iti. So Etasmat, the word Etasmat is Maya Pratibimbitat Aksharat. Maya Pratibimbitat Aksharat. That is Maya Sagita Brahmana. Bimba is Brahma. Pratibimba is the Saguna Brahma. That is the Brahma with Maya. Maya Sagita Brahma, Saguna Brahma. From that, Kam. Kam is Shabda Gunatmakam Akasham. Akasha, which has got Shabda Guna. Jayate Utpadyate. Why it is called Shabda Guna? We will discuss it later. Jayate Utpadyate. Tata Etasmat. That Etasmat to be connected for every further these Utpatti, the product. So Etasmat, that is Maya Pratibimbitat Aksharat Akashaha, which is Akasha. Akasha Kam means Akasha. Ke Gacchati iti Kagaha. The bird is called Kaha. Why? Because it goes in the sky. Ke Gacchati. So Kam means Akasha. So Akasha, Kam Akasham, Shabda Gunatmakam Akasham, Jayate Utpadyate. From what? From this Brahmanaha Maya Sagita Brahmana. Brahma is there. Therefore, this Akasha is Brahma. This is Akasha Brahma. Akasha Brahma is born from Brahma. Maya Sagita Brahma. From this Akasha Brahma, Etasmat Akasha Bhavat Akashat Akasha Bhava Apannat Brahmanaha. The commentator, another commentator says, Etasmat akasha bhavat apannat brahmanah. That is, from this akasha brahma, vayu is born, and vayu is shabda sparsha gunakaha jayate. Vayu has got two gunas. Main guna is sparsha. Gauna guna is shabda. Shabda is the guna of akasha. That akasha guna also will be with its product. The product is vayu. Akasha brahmanaha, vayu brahma is born. Vayu also brahma. All the way it is brahma only. Because this akasha, vayu, everything is mithya. What is there is only brahma. So akasha brahmanaha, vayu brahma. Akasha brahma has got shabda gunakaha akasha brahmanaha. This vayu gunaka brahma is born, utpadyate. Therefore, this vayu has got shabda sparsha gunakaha. It has got the guna of both the vayu, the akasha and vayu. Its own guna is sparsha, and akasha guna is shabda. Similarly, for everything we have to connect. This vayoho agnihi means this vayu brahmanaha, this agni brahma is born. Jyotihi means agnihi, tejaha, and tejas is shabda sparsha rupa gunatmaka brahma. Agni brahma is born. Agnihi jayate. Then from that apaha is born. This agni brahmanaha, this apa brahma is born. Agni brahma has got shabda sparsha rupa, and this apa brahma has got apa as its rasa, as its special guna. So shabda sparsha rupa rasa, shabda sparsha rupa. All the three gunas are there in agni. So shabda sparsha rupa gunavan agnihi, the agni brahma jayate utpadyate. From that apaha is born, jalam is born. Agni brahmanaha, jala brahma is born. So jala has got shabda sparsha rupa rasa gunakam jalam. Jala brahma is born. And from that brahma, jala brahma, prithvi brahma is born. Prithvi, which has got all the five gunas: shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha. Gandhavati prithvi bhumihi. And that is qualified by two more words, qualified by a word, Vishwasya Dharini iti. Vishwasya iti sarvasya. Dharani, Dharana Kartri. Dharani is that which is a Dharana Kartri, that which is a supporter of everything. Everything is supported by this Prithvi, Vishwasya Dharini. Pancha Gunat Akaha, Pancha Gunat Akaha, this Gunatmika Prithvi. Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandhavati Bhumihi. So, Bhumi, the Prithvi has got Gandha, the smell. Water has got taste. The smell of the water is not because of the water, it's because of the Prithvi. So, every Bhuta has got its own guna. So after attributing these gunas, for Prithvi it is Gandha, for water it is Rasa, Agni has got Rupa, and Vayu has got Sparsha. The left out is only Shabda, that is attributed to Akasha. Parisheshan Nyayena, Akasha will have the attribute Shabda. So therefore, this 5 Panchamahabhutas are born. Etasmat, from this, Pranaha is born. What is Pranaha? The Shariranta Sanchari, Vayurupaha, Pranaha, that is born. Prana is born. In between, other things happen that he doesn't say. this pancha jnanendriyani, karmendriyani, that and all we have to understand. Then sankalpa vikalmatmakam manaha is born. Then sarvendriyani, that can be brought in before and then after pranaha manaha. Sarvendriyani, that is shrotrendriyani, jnanendriyani, pancha vagindriyani, vagadi karmendriyani, you can bring in. All this pancha jayante, they are born from this pancha maha bhuta. Iti, the krama to be arranged. This artha krama to be arranged. For that we have pramana from the Taittiriya Upanishad, even from this Upanishad, and we can refer to Prakarana Grantha, that the krama is presented. So this is the krama. So now Srishti is come. So from the Brahma, Maya Sagita Brahmanaha, first is Sukshma Bhutas, then Sukshma Bhautika, and therefore Sukshma Prapancha is born. From that Sukshma Prapancha, the Stula Prapancha is born. This is with reference to the individual and the total. What is in the total? It's that alone is there in the individual. Pancha Bhutas, the total, it is there in the individual, and in the individual it has manifested in the form of this Indriyas, and the Rajas part, Shrotendriyani, and Sattva part, Shrotrendriyani, etc. From the Rajas part, this Vagpani, etc., this Indriyas, and from the collective Sattva part, this Antakranam, from the collective Rajas part, this Pranadeha, then from the collective Tamas part, this Stula Shariram is born. So that is how the Srishti Prakaranam is, and that is being presented here. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Etasmat eva purushat namarupa bija upadhi lakshitat jayate utpadyate avidya vishaya vikara bhutaha namadeyaha anrutatmakaha pranaha. Etasmat purushat, from this purusha. What is this purusha? Etasmat purusha. That purusha is Nirupadika Brahma. Etasmat purushat is Maya Sagita Brahma. It becomes Sopadika. So the Nirgunam Brahma, Nirupadika Brahma, Nirupadika Chaitanyam, Maya Sagita Sopadika. So Nirupadika Brahma with Maya Upadhi is called Sopadika Brahma. So from this Sopadika Brahma, Etasmat Purushat. From that Brahma means we have to understand not from the Nirupadika Brahma, it is Sopadika Brahma. From the Sopadika Brahma, you have to understand. One commentator says, why it is Sopadika Brahma? Why it is Sopadika Brahma? Because it goes from the Shruti, the commentary from the Bhashyakara himself, he quotes why it is called Sopadika. Because this Nirupadika, which is the Tattvam, the Paramatatvam, that alone, that must have a Upadhi. That must have a Upadhi. without Upadi, this Srishti cannot come. Because Nirupadi Brahma, that it's like Shiva. Without Shakti, how it can operate. Therefore, that's why Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitam. So, therefore, Nirupadika Brahmanaha ete na jayate. Sopadika Brahmanaha eva ete jayate. Nirupadika Brahma with this Upadi Maya. Therefore, Sopadika Brahmanaha iti. Sopadika Brahmanaha Sarvani Sarvam Jayate iti. There is a statement. From the Sutra Bhashya. Avidya Kalpita Nama Rupa Bija Upalakshitat Avyakritat Panaha. In the Sutra, Brahma Sutra Bhashyam, Bhashyakara writes that a commentator refers. He quotes that. Avidya Kalpita Namarupa Bija Upalakshitat Adhyakritat Manaha. Adhyakritat Manaha Sarvani Jayante. Natu Nirupadika Shuddha Ityartaha. Not from the Shuddha Nirupadika, not from the Nirupadika Brahma. This is from the Sutra Bhashyam. Sutra Bhashyam, Bhashyakara has written. Therefore, Nirupadika Brahmanaha na jayate, Sopadika Brahmanaha jayate. That is how the word etasmat. Etasmat from this Bhashyakara says Purushat. What is this Purushat? Namarupa Bija Upalakshitat. The same word Bhashyakara is used even in Sutra Bhashya. That Avidya Kalpita Namarupa, he says. Namarupa is what? It is Kalpita. It is Kalpita on Brahma. It is Avidya Kalpita. So Avidya Kalpita Namarupa Bija, that is Upadi, Lakshitat. That is what is Lakshitat indicated. Indicated by. Lakshitat is indicated by. Indicated by this Upadi. Upadi is what Upadi? Maya Upadi. And Maya Upadi is the Bija for this Namarupa. So, Namarupa is the Bija. This Upadi. The Upadi, this Maya Upadi, that is a Bija. That is a Bija for Namarupa. So, therefore, Namarupa Bija Upadi Lakshitat. Lakshitat Purushat. That is, from this Karanam Brahma, that is Saguna Brahma, Maya Sagita Brahmanaha, Tasmat Jayate iti. That which is indicated by the Upadi, and the Upadi is the Bija, is the Karanam for this Namarupa. What is that Upadi? Maya Upadi. Maya Upadi is the Karanam for this Namarupa. Namarupatmaka Jagat. Therefore, three things are there. Sopadika Brahma, Maya Upadi, and Namarupatmaka Jagat. So for the Namarupatmaka Jagat, what is the Bija? The Bija is the Upadi, Maya Upadi. And that Maya Upadi is Lakshitat, is indicated here by the word Purushat, Etasmat, Purushat iti. So Purusha here it is not Nirupadika Purusha, Nirupadika Brahma. It is Sopadika Brahma. Then Jayate. From that it is born. Utpadyate. Avidya Vishya Vikara Bhutaha. Avidya Vishaya Vikara Bhutaha. Vikara means product. And in the form of the product. The form of product. Vikriyate iti Vikaraha. That which changes. That which is changing, and it is born. Every birth is a Vikara only. So, Vikriyate iti Vikara. So, Vikriyate. So, Vikara Bhutaha, this Avidya Vishayaha, the Vishaya, the object of Avidya, projected by Avidya, Avidya Kalpita, It is born, and that is has got a namade. It has got only a namadeyaha. It is only a name. Namadeyaha. It is doesn't have a substance. This avidya vishaya vikara bhutaha namadeyaha. Namadeyaha means it is only just in name. Doesn't have a substance. Therefore, it is andritatmakaha. Pranaha. Andritatmakaha. Pranaha. Prana is talked about here. So from this Maya Upadhi, this Andritatmakaha Pranaha is born. This prana is born. And it is Andritatmakaha Pranaha. Andrita means na Andritaha Andritaha. Andritaha Atma Swarupam Yasya Pranasya Saha Andritatmakaha Pranaha. Andritatmakaha means that which is of the nature of Andritam, not real. So prana is mithya, it is not real. This from this Maya Upadhi, this prana which is mithya is born. So mithya prana is born. From this Maya Upadhi, from this Maya Upadhi is the Saguna Brahma. That Maya Sagita Brahmanaha, this mithya prana is born. So etasmat eva purushat, this Nama Rupa Bija Upadhi Lakshitat Purushat, this avidya vishaya vikara bhutaha namadeyaha andritatmakaha pranaha jayate. This prana, which is andritatmakaha, which is not real, therefore it is andrita, and it is just only a nama matram, namadeyaha, not a substance. Nama eva namadeyaha. Dheya is a pratyaya, swarte pratyaya. Deya pratyaya, it's a tadita pratyaya. Namadeyaha, it is just a name. Any product, any vikara is just a name only. So therefore vikara bhutaha. Vikara, there is no substance in vikara. Vikara it is just a name. Vikara, the product is just a name. It is not a substance. The substance is Brahma only. So therefore this vikara, avidya vishaya vikara, this vikara, this product, this karya, which is the vishaya of this avidya. So this vikara, in the form of this vikara, this change, this product, which is the vishaya, the object of this avidya, what is that? This pranaha is born, and pranaha is andritatmakaha pranaha. It is kevala namadeyaha eva. Kevalaha, it is kevalam namadeyaha, it is just a name. From this Brahma, Sopadika Brahma, Maya Sagita Brahmanaha, this Nitya Prana is born. So that is what Ashikara says. Therefore, Prana is not real. So even though Prana is important for the sustenance of the life, but it doesn't exist really. It doesn't exist on its own. It owes its existence to this Brahma. Therefore, Prana is Andritatmakaha Pranaha Nitya iti. So all the way the Bhashyakara will say, that is this Namadeya, and it goes from the important Shruti, the next line. Acharambanam Vikaro Namadeyam. That is a Pramana. That is a Pramana, and from that Vakya only uses the word Namadeyaha iti. It is only a Namadeyaha, it is only a name. That is why we say Namarupa. Kevala Namarupa. This Jagat is Namarupatmakam Jagat. It is just a name. It's just a name and just a word, and denoting the meaning. Analyze the meaning of that. If you analyze, it will end up only in this Satyam Brahma. Therefore, it is Mithya iti. We'll stop here. We'll continue. We'll continue in the next class. Next line. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद जी।